Hello everyone, my name is Crystal Martinez. I'm the communication intern here at the UTRGV Career Center, and today I'm going to show you how you can register for the Fall 2020 Virtual Career Expo. So first of all, you're going to want to log on to My UTRGV and click on the icon down here where it says Handshake. It'll redirect you to the Handshake homepage. I already have it open in a separate tab just to make it a little easier. And go ahead and click on the Events tab up here at the top, and then search for where it says UTRGV Fall 2020 Virtual Career Expo happening on Thursday, October 1st, and make sure you're registered. The most important part though is clicking where it says Career Fair link down here. It'll redirect you to the event page, which is Brazen. This is where the event will be taking place. And make sure that you search through all the tabs, and the most important one though is going to the registration tab and filling out all your information. This will just make it easier for the employer to get to know you a little bit better, and you can even insert your resume down here. Then in the lobby tab, you can browse through all the organizations taking part in this event. And the way it'll work is, if you want to chat with this organization, on the day of the event, you'll see a green button up here that will allow you to chat with them one-on-one. First, it'll be via text, and then later on, you'll get another notification that will allow you to chat through video. So yeah, that's basically it. And here on the right, you can see just a couple of tips we have when attending the virtual career fair, and just our services that we have available if you need any help the day of the event. We also have our virtual career booth here. If you have any questions, any difficulties, you can go ahead and reach us through there. And we also have our virtual office hours here on the right. You can go ahead and reach us any of those times available. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.